into a full-blown mess, even if it means throwing her longtime partner under the bus. Remember what the bodyguard spilled about their
What was
marriage?
that about? That little jump?
Well, according to 50 Cent, that convenience is wearing thin for Beyonce right now, and she's ready to move on, no matter the cost. Especially with Jay-Z's bestie Diddy getting the Homeland Security spotlight and whispers of him possibly snitching on Jay-Z. Fans left comments saying, "She only leaving cause his closet is about to be cleaned out. She knows what's in the closet though. She may even have some items in there. Beyonce is complicit in this mess. She knows more than what she is telling. Personally, I am done with the whole mess. And one thing I love about 50 is he tells the truth when exposing someone. They never sue him. Think about it. Yeah, this situation is a hot mess. And 50 is being super bold by spilling this tea because y'all know that Beyonce and Jay-Z don't like it when people speak about them. But let me know how you feel about this situation.
Nice and cold, the floor, is it, Heidi?